Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Voluum for affiliate traffic tracking and optimization, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Voluum for affiliate traffic tracking and optimization, visit the Voluum website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the Voluum dashboard. Begin by setting up your affiliate offer. Navigate to the Offers tab in the dashboard. Click on Add Offer to create a new offer entry. Fill in the necessary details such as offer name, URL, and payout information. Save the offer information to proceed. Next, you need to set up your traffic source. Go to the Traffic Sources section in the dashboard. Click on Add Traffic Source to create a new entry. Select the type of traffic source you will be using for your campaigns. Fill in the details and parameters required for your traffic source. Save your traffic source settings to continue. Now, move on to creating a campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and then select Add Campaign. Enter your campaign name and select the offer and traffic source you previously set up. Configure the campaign settings according to your goals. Set your tracking parameters to better analyze your user data. Save the campaign settings to finalize your setup. Now you will generate tracking links for your campaign. Navigate to the Links section from the dashboard. Click Add Link and select your campaign. Ensure all necessary parameters are set for tracking. Save the generated tracking link for future use. Next, it's time to implement the tracking link in your ad campaigns. Use the generated link in the ad creative you plan to use. Start running your ads to begin collecting data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.